Good afternoon, all the sharks. I would like to introduce our company, Glorious Events, and our team. Sanidhya Porwal, CEO, Caroline Joy, CMO, Purvika Agaste, CFO, and Genna Kataria, COO. Now I would like to hand over the presentation to Genna.
Hello everyone, my name is Gana Kataria. Our industry is divided into front end and back end. The management must ensure that two divisions are running efficiently. On the back, we purchase our material from the wholesale markets to ensure the lower expenditure. We will be needing different raw material depending upon the need of our customer and according to the function. Few items are one-time investment like music system, chairs or tables, screen, etc., which will give us regular profit in the future. Now I would like to hand over the presentation to Sanidhya.
Thanks, Gana, for handing over the presentation to me. I am Sanidhya Porwal, the CEO of the Glorious Events Company. Now I am going to explain you about our financial structure. The quantity of production is 1,250 kg per month. Cost required to manufacturing is 2 to 4 lakhs. We have decided the cost price, that is 1 to 2 lakhs. We have decided the selling price, that is 3 to 4 lakhs. We take funds from bank loans or our savings. Our turnover is 5 lakhs. We required investments is above 5 lakhs. Our ownership stake is 60% and we require 40% funding from Shark Tank Group for our business. Now I would like to hand over the presentation to Caroline.
Hi, I'm Caroline Joy, CMO of Glorious Events. Today I would like to present about the marketing structure of Glorious Events. So now let's go. So the first way we can advertise Glorious Events is through poster making. So we can stick posters in our neighborhoods and we can advertise Glorious Events through that. So now let's take a look at it. So as per the poster, you can plan a birthday party, you can plan tea parties, you can plan wedding, and you can plan conference meeting, and you can plan much more events. So if you want to plan your event, you can contact the number given in the poster. So now let's go to the next one. So the next way we can advertise Glorious Events is through a YouTube ad. So we can post YouTube ads so that people will get in contact with us after seeing them. So now let's take a look at it. So this is the YouTube ad. So now let's go to the next one. So the next way we can advertise Glorious Events is through posting a Facebook ad. So we can post this Facebook ad in our accounts so that people will be able to get in contact with us. So let's take a look at it. So this is the Facebook ad. So the tagline is plan awesome events with us. So now let's go to the next one. So the next way we can advertise Glorious Events is through yard signs. So we can place yard signs in busy places and crowded areas so that people will be able to see it and get in contact with us. So now let's take a look at it. So this is the ad sign. As per the ad sign, if you want to create an event, you can contact the number given in the ad sign. So now let's go to the final one. So the final way we can advertise Glorious events is through an Instagram ad. So we can post Instagram ads so people will be able to see it and get in contact with us. So now let's take a look. So this is the Instagram ad. So thank you. So now I would like to hand over the presentation to Sashwanthari.
Good evening, good afternoon to all. I'm Shashwantari. The words of Lonnie Harris. Life is what you celebrate. Life is what you celebrate. All of it, even its end. Celebration is an important aspect in our lives. It helps us to have some fun, have some fun amidst and create beautiful memories with our loved ones. We at the Glorious event make sure that used the right way. We organize birthday parties, weddings, and anniversaries in perfect ambience with delicious food and eye-catching decorations. It helps us to show your love for our family or friends by celebrating the best and memorable days in their lives in the perfect way. Thank you. I would like to hand over the presentation to Amrita.
Thank you, Shashwanthari. This is Amrita from Glorious Events. We can make a profit of 1 crore in 3 years, and Glorious Events can make your event much more glorious and make you enjoy the fullest on your special day and making the most memorable day of your life. And there will be eye-catching decorations that make you feel happy. If you have any questions, please contact us at gloriousevents@gmail.com. Now handing over the speech to Caroline to answer Shaq's questions. Thank you.
So if you have any questions, you can